Welcome back. In Module 3, we're going to cover editing the opportunities description, adding additional occurrences, optimizing search terms, submitting an opportunity, canceling opportunities, and we'll also go a little bit into editing your organization. Let's get started by logging back into the partner portal. Now we're going to navigate to the Volunteer Opportunities tab, this second tab right here. As you can see, we have a volunteer opportunity here, but we may want to add an additional opportunity coordinator. To do that, we'll move from the Volunteer Opportunities tab all the way over to the My Organization tab. To add an additional person as your opportunity coordinator, click on the gray Create New Staff button. It'll be after you click on the gray Edit button. Fill in their information and then click Create Contact. This person will be added as an opportunity coordinator for your organization and can be assigned to any volunteer opportunity. Now, let's go back to that volunteer opportunity that we first made in Module 2. Do you see the Add Change Description hyperlink? In order to submit an opportunity for website publication, we need to have a description. This description tells the volunteers what tasks they'll be doing and any additional information on why they might want to sign up. So, let's click on that link. Alright, now we're here at the adding a description part. We can add some text describing what people will do. We can also add a picture, and we'll cover that in the Lanyard model. And you'll make sure to click Save and Close once you're finished. You'll need to refresh the Volunteer Opportunity page in order to see this box checked. Alright, as you can see, it hasn't refreshed yet, so we will go ahead and refresh this page, and now the opportunity description has been checked. So, if we'd like to change the search terms, go ahead and click Edit. In the Edit field, you can change the primary impact area, the secondary impact area, gender served, age groups served, and population served. You'll most likely want to put in a volunteer activity type as well. This makes it more likely that your opportunity will pop up during searches. You can also change the opportunity coordinator in the edit field. However, don't change attendance in this window. I'll explain about that after we talk about occurrences. Think of the volunteer opportunities as a sort of sideways funnel. First, people come to the Capital Area United Way Volunteer Center website. They see your volunteer opportunity, like working with kids or a marathon. But people don't register for the opportunity, people register for the occurrence. Why? An occurrence is when exactly a task should happen. Maybe you can mentor a child anytime, but you can only hand out water at 9 a.m. on October 1st. It's important to remember this distinction. You can have multiple occurrences, like weekly or monthly events, but still be doing the same activity at each occurrence. It's an important distinction. Alright, now that we're back in the partner portal, if we need to change the date or time or even how many people can volunteer, we'll want to do that in the occurrence. You can find the occurrence by going to the specific volunteer opportunity, in our case hand out water, and scrolling down to the Occurrences tab. Then click Edit. So I'm going to go ahead and change the date and time. I want it to happen on the 30th instead. I want to add a second shift to this occurrence as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save and New. Remember to update all existing connections for date and time specific occurrences. I'm adding a second shift right now. So making sure to put the exact same volunteer opportunity. The location can be different, of course. I think I'll choose office. And then you'll choose your start date and time. So this is my shift 2, and it's going to go from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. It's also important to note that with your numbers, make sure that there's a space between the PM and your number. And again, make sure to click yes to update all existing connections, and then we'll click save. In order to get back to our original volunteer opportunity, we'll just click right here where it says volunteer opportunity name. If you need to create a recurring event, like something that happens every Tuesday, please check out our Lanyap model. Let's recap. First, we added a new staff contact to be an additional opportunity coordinator. Then, we created the opportunity in the opportunity wizard, added a description, added an additional occurrence, put in our opportunity characteristics to make searching easier. And now we are ready to click submit for approval. Most opportunities are approved and posted within 1 business day. In the next module, we're going to be covering what volunteer side of signing up looks like. As always, don't forget to complete this module's quiz and challenge for your mastery certificate.